How to buy Minecraft with vanilla gift card. To buy Minecraft with a vanilla gift card, follow these steps. Go to the Vanilla Card's website, or call the number on the card, to verify the balance. You'll need enough to cover the cost of Minecraft, plus any taxes. If your card is Visa or Mastercard branded, you can add it to payment services like PayPal. Linking it to PayPal can help if Minecraft's payment system rejects prepaid cards directly. Alternatively, try redeeming it directly on Microsoft if you plan to buy from the Microsoft Store, which owns Minecraft. Go to Minecraft.net and select the version you want, Java Edition or Bedrock Edition. Choose PayPal if linked, or enter your vanilla gift card details if accepted. Alternatively, go to the Microsoft Store and use the gift card via your Microsoft account. Complete the checkout, and you should receive an email confirmation if the payment goes through successfully. In these steps, you can buy Minecraft through vanilla gift card. Thanks for watching.